Offer is defined under section 2 clause A when one person signifies to another person his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtain assent of the other to such act or abstinence, he is said to have made a proposal or a offer. Offer may be classified into 5 types: general offer, specific offer, cross offer, counter offer, and open offer या continuing offer. General offer, when offer is made to public at large, is called as general offer, which can be accepted by any person. Specific offer, when the offer is made to a specific person or an ascertained person, such an offer is called as a specific offer. It has to be accepted only by the person to whom offer is made. Cross offer, when two identical offers are exchanged at same point of time in ignorance of each other, such an offer is called as cross offer. When the offer is made as a qualified acceptance of each other, such an offer is called as counter offer. So when the offeree to the offer becomes offerer to the new offer, such an offer is counter offer. It amounts to rejection of original offer. And when the offer remains open for a particular period of time, such an offer is called as continuing offer or open offer. Among various essentials of valid offer, offer should be intended to create a legal relationship. Offer should be certain, definite, and not vague. Offer should have been communicated. Offer should be made with a view to obtain assent of the other person. Offer can be conditional, but the condition should not be one non-compliance of which would amount to acceptance. Offer can be general, specific. Offer can be expressed in writing. Offer should be distinguished from invitation to offer or a statement. Mere answer to a question is no offer.